Hi. So if you're on a fertility journey, I know it can be very difficult, and I want to help you ease the pain on your journey towards pregnancy. Watch this video to learn 3 law of attraction secrets that will help you along your fertility journey. I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton Mariel. I am a psychologist and owner of Conscious Life Shop. I make weekly videos on how to create a manifestation mindset, so please subscribe and like this video if you want to hear more information on that. I know that fertility struggles are not easy and can be mentally draining. I want to share 3 law of attraction secrets that can help you along your journey to get pregnant. By the end of this video, I hope that you have 3 tips that will help you not only get pregnant, but make that journey have a little bit of joy along the way. I use manifestation techniques to get pregnant, and I'll link that video below where I describe exactly how I use manifestation techniques to get pregnant. But I know that everybody's fertility journey is unique, and I know firsthand from friends' experience how difficult it can be if it isn't going the way that you expected it to go. After listening to many of their stories, I compiled 3 law of attraction secrets to help you along your fertility journey. The first secret is to vibrate high, and this is just a spiritual way of saying experience joy. So when you get that baby, you're going to have this ultimate joy, and you want to align your vibration now with that joyful vibration that you're going to have when you manifest, because having that joyful vibration now is going to help you attract what you are hoping to become and what you're hoping to manifest. So if this fertility journey has been devastating to you or really mentally draining, I want you to do the work to create joy in your life. There are therapists out there that specialize in helping you process all the mental stuff that comes along with trying to get pregnant. So I suggest you looking up a fertility specialist, psychologist, or therapist in your area to help you process and kind of get through this stage in your life, because there are a lot of things that come with it mentally that it might be helpful to talk to someone about. Also, you can vibrate high by finding things that bring you pleasure in your life. I don't want you to focus all your energy on getting pregnant. You may have to put it down for a second and focus on other things that bring you joy in your life, whether that's going to work out, whether that's hanging out with friends, whether that's not talking about that issue, asking friends and family to give you a little bit of space to not ask you about the issue. You want to just create those moments of pleasure in your life so that you're vibrating high as you continue along this journey. My second law of attraction tip is to align your energy with creative and nurturing energy. So when you become a mother, you're going to have this abundance of creativity because you're creating a life, and nurturing energy because you're nurturing a life. And you want to align with that flow of creation and nurturance. So a good example is I have friends that one friend that started a garden, and another friend that started taking care of plants. Not only did this bring them joy, which helps align with the first tip I gave you, but it also helps you attune to that energy of creativity and nurturance. I suggest you find ways to align with creativity. It can be a garden, but it could also be creating art or doing whatever it is that taps into that creative juice and nurturance for you. My last tip is to allow, and this may be the hardest one, but I have videos on how to overcome limiting beliefs and to allow yourself to allow, if you will, and I'll link those below. But it is to take a step back and to let go and really focus on accepting that things will happen in divine timing through divine routes. So we've all heard those stories of people that have been trying to get pregnant, but the moment they kind of let go and step back, that's when they get pregnant, or when they adopt, that's when they get pregnant. And that, even though those stories are cliche, they're true because they happen for a reason, because the more and more we stress ourselves, the less and less our body is free to create life. And we release all kinds of things like cortisol, which are completely opposite of helping your body get pregnant. So the more you can let go and really let God, allow divine timing to happen, because when you get your baby, you're going to know that everything happened in perfect timing for you to have this baby. So those other times that you were wanting it to happen and it didn't, that wasn't your baby. So know that it's going to happen in special, perfect timing and also special, perfect route. So I know that even using these tips, it can still be difficult. So I am praying for anyone watching this video that is trying to get pregnant. I'm wanting it to happen for you, and I'm right there with you and sending you all good vibes and good energy for it to happen to you. I haven't gone through it myself, so I can only imagine what it must be for you, what it must be like for you. And I want you to know that even with these tips, I know it's not easy, and I don't want to minimize your pain along your journey. If anything, I want to validate it and offer you some joy along the way. If you are looking for a manifestation daily routine guide, I'll also link mine below, where I just give a practical way to make all this manifestation stuff work in a daily routine. So I'll link that below as well. If you have any questions about the tips that I shared, please comment them below or respond to all my comments. And if this made sense to you and you like it, please comment manifesting in the comments below. Until next time, please subscribe to my channel, and namaste.